growth like this, then learning how to properly moisturize your hair is a must. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. With 3 simple and affordable products, I'm going to take my dry, ratted, and tatted hair and turn it into super juicy tresses that's so moisturized it has that recoil. Y'all seen that? And that doesn't stop growing. So if you're ready to learn how to moisturize your hair to promote serious growth, then keep watching. The 3 products I'm using is 1 fresh aloe vera leaf, good old warm water in a spray bottle, and good old extra virgin olive oil. All of this costs less than $15, y'all, and this combo has not been failing me. My hair is so dry because I've been wearing it out for a month. I know, I've been a bad girl, but I'm fixing it today. So I'm sectioning my hair into manageable parts and saturating it with warm water. Before I begin, I just wanted to show you how juicy my braids are. This is a section I already did. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to get this side to look like that side. The first step to rehydrating your hair is spraying it down with the warm water in that spray bottle. And as you see, my hair is just soaking it up because it's so dry and I have normal to high porosity hair. This is the first step because it's going to help you get those tangles out. As you see, I'm using my fingers to work that water in all the way down to my ends because it helps with length retention to go in with the water and use your fingers. And length retention is so important to reaching your hair goals. I finger detangle as much as I can to the point where I hardly use combs or brushes. And as you see, as I'm going through my section, I'm discovering huge tangles that I'm able to get out with my fingers that if I were using a comb or brush would just be raked through and cause unnecessary shedding and breakage. So this tangle here is a great example of why you should give finger detangling a chance because I'm telling you, if I were to have just gone in with this section with a regular wide tooth comb or brush, this tangle would have come out in a huge knot. It would have caused me so much pain, and at the end of the day, my hair would have been shorter, and ultimately the goal is to grow our hair longer, ladies. Now, there are multiple techniques for finger detangling, and right now I'm sectioning my hair off and I'm about to use a technique I call the pull apart method, where instead of raking through the tangles with my fingers, I'm gently stretching and pulling my hair apart from itself to loosen tangles and get rid of any huge knots. This method helps me detangle my hair with my fingers so easily because, again, instead of just using my fingers as a comb, I'm able to navigate through the tangles and navigate through the knots in a way that is so much more gentle and saves me so much hair. Even though it's been a month since I have done anything to my hair, I'm talking about moisturizing, anything, I did not have a ton of shedding and breakage because of using this method, the pull apart method, okay? And before I go in with the aloe vera, I'm making sure to use the pull apart method to detangle my hair as much as I can. This is going to make it so that when I do apply the aloe, I'm going to be easily able to get it all throughout my section and have the hair in my section be coated in the gel. I won't be able to do that with a ton of knots in my hair. I know I can apply the aloe once my hair is detangled enough to stretch to its full length as I'm demonstrating right here. Now, as you've seen, I've gone in with the aloe vera and I got as much of that gel onto my section as possible by piercing the leaf with my fingers, then sliding the pierced leaf onto my section. Believe it or not, y'all, I only use 1 leaf every time I do my hair. All you gotta do is pick an aloe vera leaf with a thick bottom and that thing will be bursting at the seams with gel. I'm using aloe vera in place of a moisturizing conditioner because I haven't found a suitable replacement for the Suave conditioner that I always used to use. But if you have a go-to moisturizer conditioner with a ton of slip, you can use that for this step. The keys here are moisturizing and slip because if it has those 2 things, you're getting a 3-for-1 deal. You're detangling your hair, moisturizing your hair, and styling your hair all at once. After you seal in all this goodness from the conditioner and water with oil, braid your hair down and you let it dry, boom! Now you have a fire braid out that you can do tons of styles with. I don't use no extra styling products than what I'm using in this video. And by using the same products to style as I do to detangle and moisturize, helps me grow my hair so fast and easily. And speaking of growing your hair fast, if you want the blueprint on how I unlocked 1 inch plus of hair growth in a month so you can learn how to quickly grow your hair and get those inches too, please go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and grab the Growth Training 101 guide because it is a complete step-by-step book on how I grew my hair to my hips and unlocked 1 inch plus of hair growth in a month with my nutrient-rich recipes and routines. I got y'all. I have never lied to y'all, and y'all have seen that and told me that in the customer testimonies. Customers have wrote in that they have achieved waist-length hair, have cried happy tears because of how thick and healthy their hair has gotten. People have told us that our recipes helped them grow hair when doctors told them they couldn't. And we even included recipes for those of you out there who struggle with hormone-related hair loss and thinning. Postpartum, menopause, perimenopause. We didn't leave anyone out, and there is truly something in there for everyone. I even included recipes that help my clients that I were working with one-on-one. So for those of you who didn't get a chance to book a consultation, this is your chance to receive that help and to receive the results that you are looking for. It's as simple as this, lovelies. If you don't want to grow your hair, then keep not getting a guide. Ignore it. Pretend like I didn't even say anything about it. But if you do want to finally achieve your hair goals and get this growth that you know you can get and that I know you can get as well, go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and do yourself a favor, especially because the guide is so low right now. It's so low right now. And I'm doing that so that way you guys still have an opportunity to get it at an affordable price, all right? It's at one of the lowest prices that we have put it at. So, because I mean, hey, the economy is economy right now, all right? It's looking a little crazy. So as a gift, we are putting it at one of the lowest prices we've ever put it at to make sure that you have an opportunity to grab it. So go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and give yourself the gift that's just going to keep on giving. For the final step in this moisturizer routine that's going to grow your hair super long and strong, you're going to seal your hair with oil. I personally love using olive oil because of the sheen it gives my hair and because it also leaves my hair so soft. It's also perfect for feeding my hair follicles what they need to grow, and I don't need to use a lot to cover my entire section. Now I just braid the entire section down, and once I get to the ends, I'm going to trim off the scragglies to get a gorgeous curly bottom. I know this isn't a comprehensive way of trimming ends, but when I see hair that needs to be clipped off, I just do it. If you want a more formal trim tutorial, you can check out this video here. And that's all, lovelies. Now I'm going to repeat this all over my hair until all my braids look like this. Do you see how greatly moisturized my hair looks? I swear, if you keep with this routine, your hair is going to be moisturized and your hair will grow. The next step of me finishing my hair will be me refreshing those cornrows at the front, but you're going to have to come back to see that video, lovelies. So, bye. I'll catch y'all in the next one, lovelies.